married today here in Baltimore at the Coban. Yep, get in there. Come on over, step. Time to get married. Come on in, we're gonna marry you here at the Coban. We're gonna have fast fiancés stepping in through this area over here. We got a lot of fast fiancés. Fast fiancés for a fabulous, fantastic, fun time. Fast fiancés, where are you? Fast fiancé, come on down. Go get them, bring them in.
Happy that you could all be here to share this moment with these two fine, incredible people, Fleshlight and running for sexual Congress. And that is probably a bad sign right off the bat. I'm just going to state the obvious. I mean, if one of you believes that people are meant to be together forever and the other of you doesn't, do you think you need to be getting married right now? Okay, would you consider your partner as attractive if he or she lost his or her job?
Yes. No!
Yeah, I thought so. And if this is so, then what is marriage? But a perfunctory patriarchal ritual that continuously enslaves us to bourgeois leisure class consumption.
I, spouse number 2, do solemnly swear to marry spouse number 1 and 3.
Your love is like a powerful vacuum that sucks me down the path of happiness.
Your love is like a powerful rhinoceros beetle, once again.
Would you say that your love for the $10 bill is like a powerful wind that burns in the night?
Of course.
Through our nocturnal commitment, I promise to feed, frolic, and fuck with you.
Thank you.
Fleshlight number 2, are you here of your own free will, and do you take Fleshlight number 1 to be your lawfully wedded spouse, for richer or for poorer, for sickness and in health, for as long as your temporary permanent union may last?
Probably not.
Please repeat after me. With this ring,
With this ring.
With this ring,
I be wed.
I be
By the powers vested in the shaft, we now pronounce you tied and tethered. You may now publicly embrace.
congratulations, Fleshlights. We now proceed to the matrimonial vehicle for a ride around the block.
Baltimore, we are gathered here today with our bear witness.
nobody tell my boyfriend.
Yeah, I know he's not my boyfriend either.
Third marriage in 1 hour, Baltimore, bringing people together forever one night in 2013.
With this ring, I be wed.
Ladies and gentlemen, the shaft on shaft.